Noah, helping you with the laundry. Here, what's this? Socks? Socks? Good girl. Put it in the washer. Put it in the dryer, rather. Good girl. Another one? What is that, Noelle? Is that socks? Good girl. Good girl. Good job. Yeah, very good. More? Okay. Here's another one. What is that, Noelle? Socks? Good job. Hey, Noelle, can you give the camera a kissy? Yeah. Noelle. You gonna shut it? Okay. Go ahead. Close the dryer up. Close it. Here you go. Good girl. All right.